Hello mga kawanes, good morning. So once again, sa umagang ito, I was again tempted. Ah, I was tested with my patience. How would I going to react to this kind of situation? No? So my budget is almost exhausted. But today, the rubber or the exterior of my motorcycle wheels got deflated kasi merong nakausling metal, di ko alam kung ano yon na tinanggal ng mekaniko. So earlier before I ride my motorcycle pauwi, napansin ko siya na flat yung motor. Then habang tumatakbo, so running flat ko siya. Yumuyog-yog. Ganun pa man, so kailangan kong ipaayos sa mekaniko para makauwi ako ng ligtas, no? Kahit yung pera ko dito is na lang, limited. So may pasok pa ako later, may pasok pa ako bukas. And I don't know kung saan ako kukuha naman ng budget for Saturday and Sunday. Pupunta pa ako ng Bulacan sa linggo, no, para invited tayo doon ng Thanksgiving celebration nila. But I trust in the Lord na He will provide. God is always a provider, at tested and proven ko na yan sa buhay ko, na ang Panginoon talaga nagpo-provide lagi. Maraming beses na ako naka-encounter ng ganitong situation, so this is not new to me. So God will bring me the victory, and salamat sa Panginoon, lagi niya akong nililigtas.